Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. I'm back with another passive income short opportunity. This time we're taking a look at staked flip or ChainFlip. So ChainFlip is a cross-chain decentralized exchange designed to make it easier to swap different types of cryptocurrencies without needing a centralized exchange. Basically how it works is you click on the swap ChainFlip. It lets you swap from, let's say, Bitcoin to Ethereum, or from Polkadot to Arbitrum, Ethereum, it doesn't matter. Like I said, it's cross-chain. Basically, you put in the amount that you want to exchange. It gives you a vault to send your Polkadot to, and it spits out it to your address. But of course, that is not why we are talking about this token. We are talking about this token because we want to short it, as it's a great short opportunity, and I will show you why. First of all, shout out to this guy who said, "Flip garbage, I should have sold when it was $9. That is very true indeed, and we will have a look at the short soon. But first of all, I want to go through the tokenomics quickly. So this token has a max supply of 90 million flip tokens. They have a super aggressive unlock schedule, as you can see from the chart. The initial token release happened around the launch in November 2023. Over months, the protocol emissions are steadily increasing, reflecting the rewards distributed to validators and other participants. We can also see from the chart that most of the tokens are for strategic investors, the team, Oxen, foundations, you know, all of these big guys who want to dump on you, which they have been doing. So I did some quick maths. The token is 7.12 months old right now, and as you can see, according to the unlock chart, there will be a severe uptick in tokens being unlocked from about month 10 to month 13. So I want to build a position now, so I'm ready for that super aggressive unlock. So if we have a look at the price chart right here, we can see that we had a all-time high at $9.52. Right now we're sitting at $1.22, which is about a 87% drop, and it's continuing to bleed out. Look at these daily candles right here. This one is minus 13%. Next one is minus 25%. This token is selling off super aggressively right now. And if we put a trend line, you can clearly see that this token is in a downtrend. And it's under the 21 EMA. This is an absolutely disgusting short to look at. Get it out of here! This is a very similar project actually to Hashflow, which I made a video for last week, and that we are also shorting. I don't know what it is with these cross-chain decentralized exchanges, but they seem to have some of the worst tokenomics out there in these crypto streets. So lucky for you that you have me, Crypto Holger, who is teaching you how to short these tokens, how to take advantage of them, because I assure you there is no other YouTubers showing you how to do this. So with that being said, let me show you how you can make some nice passive income from shorting this token. Let's go. I want to thank our sponsor Blowfin for making it possible for me to create content full time. Blowfin is my personal favorite crypto exchange, not just because they are a sponsor, but they are one of the only exchanges that allows you to start trading without going through an extensive KYC process. They offer one of the most user-friendly interfaces that I have ever experienced. Blowfin also offers a welcome bonus for new users of up to $5,000, and you can trade with high leverage up to 125x. Check out Blowfin for yourself by clicking the link in the description down below. Thank you, Blowfin. So, the only exchange that lets you short this token is Gate.io. If you are not registered to Gate.io, I will leave a link in the description and in the comment section down below so you can get registered. You will get some bonuses as well, and I will leave a link to their debit card as well. Yes, Gate.io has a crypto debit card, and it's my personal favorite debit card. I got about 5 or 6 different crypto debit cards in my rotation right now, but Gate.io is my absolute favorite. It's my so-called daily driver anyway. So let me teach you how to short this token. So as you can see, I have already put in my short right here. I have staggered some shorts as well in case we start to pump up, which we can do. For example, here you can see this massive green candle. So you got to be ready for those. That's why I got a stop loss under my buy-in price, and I got these orders staggered as well. So how to short this token? First of all, I would recommend that you set it on isolated and start off with a 2x leverage. From there, let's say you start shorting it today. You will put your first short at the market price, 25% of your position, sell short. After that, you will start to stagger your shorts up in case the price decides to start pumping, you know. Now you will stagger them as tightly as possible, as many as you can, to these different levels. So we got a level right here, and we got another level right here, and another level here and here. If possible, I would go all the way up to this level, but I don't think you can go that far up on isolated because it would be over your liquidation price. But anyway, look for these levels, stagger your shorts as tightly as possible all the way up to these levels. So in case the price starts to go up and it starts to go down again, now you have a better short entry price. Let's get this crypto. Now, as you can see, I have been in this short for about maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. I have made some amazing returns from this strategy. I will paste some screenshots from my P&L. As you can see, every day I'm beating the market doing this. So what I would do is, now that the price has gone down, I'm only up about $8 right now. I got a small position. So what I would do is sell 25% of my position at the market price right now. Let's do it. Confirm. Wow, we just made 15 USDT. So first of all, I would put half of this, or maybe 75% of it, into my margin like that, and after that I would start to stagger my orders again to to the upside. Like this. But I'm not gonna do it on camera right now. I got a pretty good setup right now and I don't wanna go and change it too much. So let's say the price continues to go down. Like this. Let me... Goes down some more. Maybe to here. What we are going to do then is that we are, well, you can either leave these ones open. I would probably leave some of them open, but I would close some of them. Start to stagger new shorts on the way here. The downside. And I would change my stop loss to a lower level, maybe to something like right here. You know, it sounds complicated, but it really isn't. You think of it like the same when you are longing a token or holding a token for the long run. That is basically what we are doing here, but instead of the price going up, the price over time goes down, because that's how the tokenomics are built up. So instead of DCAing to the downside, you know, buying the dips, here we are shorting the rips. Let's get this crypto. Hopefully that made sense to you guys. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible so that anyone can take advantage of these opportunities. Because I haven't ever seen any other content creator or anyone else talk about these tactics, because as you saw from the unlock schedule, these tokens are just meant for the team and the institutional investors to get rich, you know, by dumping on the little guy like you and me. So with these strategies, we can turn it around on them and make money from their shady tactics. Let's get this crypto. Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out my Telegram group, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.